Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a makeup haul. It is not that big. I have only few products to show. I had purchased it from glamazil.com. So without wasting time, let's get started. And before starting the video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a video. I upload a video on Mondays, Wednesdays and Saturdays at 9 p.m. So please subscribe to my channel and also follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. I always post my photos and all the details there also, so please guys like and subscribe to my channel, and if you want you can even share my videos. So without wasting time, let's get started. I have three products from Morphe. So first I purchased the Morphe continuous setting spray. This is so hyped up, so I wanted to purchase and see whether it actually works. So this is the spray. This is how it is. It is so continuous. It is like, it is so good. Then I have two more products from Morphe. I purchased the 35M Boss Mode Morphe palette. This is so pretty. It has so many shimmers, shades, and I really love. The packaging is too big, but it's okay. It has 35 shades. This is the packaging. I just wish they write the names below the pans. I'm not gonna keep this forever, but this is the packaging. I love all the greens. It is so pretty. This area is so beautiful. You can create one look, two look, three look. It is so pretty. They have so many palettes, but this was so beautiful, so I had to purchase it. Then I had to purchase the hyped up palette, the James Charles palette. I know it is so hyped up, but it is actually so good. And as soon as it was restocked on Glamazil, I purchased. This is huge. It is bigger than the palette. And if you want to create colorful, beautiful looks, you have all the shades, all the colors. See, I don't like this, but this is the palette. So beautiful. It has all the damn shades, mattes, shimmers, and the center part is so good that it has all these blacks, whites, and the crease shades, and that has huge pans, which is really good. So I'm gonna create great looks with this. Please guys, follow me on Instagram as well. I'm gonna do alternate days video on Instagram and alternate days video on YouTube. Please guys, follow me and help me achieve my goal. Then I purchased only two items, which are the last two products. I purchased these two from Sephora. First I purchased the Urban Decay Born to Run eyeshadow palette. This is really pretty. This is the palette. This is the front side. It has pictures of all these places. So pretty. And this is the packaging. It has 27 shades. 1 2 3 4 5 6. yeah, 27, no 21, no 21 shades, and it has a huge mirror. You can see my setup, you can see me there. This is really pretty. It has all warm and cool tone shades, which is really good. And I don't have any Urban Decay eyeshadow palette, so this was my first, and it is really great. Then I have the Laura Mercier Candleglow powder. It is a shimmer powder, but gives you really beautiful glow. You know, when you're done with your makeup, just with light hand, just swipe it all on all your face, and it will give you a nice glow. And even if you want to use this as a highlighter for everyday, it is really good. I am in the shade number 2. I don't know whether you can see. It gives a light sheen, not even glowy sheen, but it doesn't keep your face matte. It looks really nice on the skin. Then I have the Stila Magnificent Glitters. I have purchased the trio. This is the mini size. I threw the packaging away. This is the mini size, but it is so pretty. I don't know why Sephora doesn't carry Stila products. I purchased this from Glamazil. I purchased this 3 was around for 130 to 140 AD. These are the mini size, but it's okay. And the full the one single piece and the one single size, you get it for around 138 dirhams. So I just wanted to try it out, and it is so pretty. This is in my inner corners. It is so pretty. I have applied the Stylish. It is so pretty. You can use this individually. If you don't want any eyeshadows, just put this, tap it on your eyelids, and you are good to go. It is so pretty. They have so many shades. I wish I have all the shades. It is so pretty, and this makes your eye look so easy, damn easy. I hope Sephora carries this. I don't know why they don't carry these products. So these 3 are the shades. I have the shade Dollish. It has pinky golden shimmers in it. It is so pretty. Then I have the shade Embellish. This is more of a muted rose gold with golden shimmers. Then this is Stylish. It has more of a silvery bluish glitters. So this is the last product from the haul. Guys, if you want a tutorial on this look, let me know in the comments below. I will love to film it for you. And guys, whatever kind of videos you want to see, any kinds, please let me know in the comments below. You are always welcome to give me suggestions, and so please let me know. Please guys, subscribe to my channel, and if you like my video, please share it, and follow me on Instagram. So this is the video. It's really small. I hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, bye.